everybody, what's up? I'm Rob Anderson, illusionist here on the Las Vegas Strip. I just met Jake and Bianca right here, and we're about to do a little bit of street magic for them. And I do know you two are a couple. The question I have, though, is how long have you two been together?
7.5 years.
Wow, no kidding. Congrats on that. That's great. So, 7.5 years ago, you went on some of your first dates, got to know each other. Might have held hands, said, hey, let's do this again. I want to take you back to your first dates with our first trip, okay? Jake, you're gonna hold your right hand out just like this. You're gonna hold your right hand out, Bianca, just like this, or just like this, sorry. Perfect, just like that. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take a card, the 3 of spades here. I'm gonna hand that to Jake. Bianca, your hand is going to go on top of this card, just like this. So you're sort of holding hands, sort of holding hands. I'm gonna use another card for this though. 7 of hearts. Hearts, oh see, 7 years together, 7 hearts. I knew this, it's just lucky guess. Hearts represent love. We're here talking about love. Keep that in mind for a second. And you felt some love on those dates. Did you feel that right there? Yes, did you feel that right there? Did you feel that right there? Look what you have. Look what you have, the hearts. Oh, good. So much better for you. 7 years of love. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. I'm glad you said 7. That's really good. So I actually did make a little prediction before I came out here. I made a prediction on some cards I removed earlier. These are queens. I did something special. It is a little prediction I made about meeting a compatible couple out here. You two seem compatible. I think you'll do great. I'm going to have you cup your hand like mine is, Bianca, just like this, and I'm going to hand these to you. So you're holding the cards, just so they don't move. Freeze just like that. Perfect. I'm committed to that prediction because I can't touch the cards right now. You two are about to make the choices here. Jake, you're going to be first. So Jake just chose the red cards, the hearts and the diamonds. We're going to keep one. That's your choice here. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
She wants the heart over the diamond. Like love over money. She's a keeper. She's a keeper? That's good. That's great. Look, I predicted one card. You came together choosing the Queen of Hearts, and I chose the Queen of Hearts. I just had a feeling. I thought that's what you would want. So I took the Queen of Hearts out of a totally different deck of cards. That's how sure I was about what you would choose. And I knew we would need that card, and I knew that we wouldn't end up needing any of the other cards, so that's why it's the only one that I brought. Just had a feeling. Had a feeling. We're gonna talk about Jake really quick. I don't know if you guys have ever called each other like king or queen, like a lot of couples develop pet names after a while. You probably don't do the king and queen thing. Maybe you do, I don't know. But tonight, Jake, you're here with your beautiful lady, this beautiful view right here in Las Vegas. You should feel like a king. That's why this next trick is all about you.
All right,
just go with that for a second. It's good. You're the king for this next part. Jake. It's a pretty simple trick. I'm just gonna have you reach in here and take out any card you want. Memorize it, show the camera, show Bianca, don't show me. And then just say stop anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. Stop. There, put it back on top. Look, I don't know what your card is. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere near the middle. Imagine this though. Imagine if I could reach in here and remove one card from the middle, turn it upside down, and then put that card back in the deck. If I could really do that, that would mean there's one upside down card in this deck right now. That upside down card would actually be the 5 of Hearts, which was not his card apparently.
Should we lie?
Hold on. 5 of Hearts is an indicator card in that case. It indicates I was wrong. It's just, but I'm gonna save this. It also indicates if we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, hopefully we find the 2 of them. Whew, all these hearts, that's good. That's good. That's not the cool part though. Finding the card is never the cool part, right? I said this trick would be all about you. And that's why these 4 cards here, remember our king? These cards all represent our king here. These are all for Jake. That was Jake's trick there. Bianca's king. Jake's queen. So fitting. All right. You two have been together 7.5 years, made a lot of memories. Sometimes when people have been together a long time, they almost develop like a sixth sense. Like one person experiences something and the other person knows about it. And I don't know if you've ever felt that way before, but I'd like to try to create a little sixth sense through a little bit of magic here for you, Ted. A little bit of illusion of the mind. So what I'm going to have you do is carefully, Jake, if you could just take a small step back right there, be careful. And Bianca, if you could just take a small step back to over here, be careful, that's perfect. You're each going to think of something in a second. I'm going to have you both focus on a happy memory you've shared, any happy memory at all. I'm not going to guess it or say what it is. It's just for you to know as you think about the memories that you've shared together and the feelings that come along with that. As you look into each other's eyes and think about the happy times you shared, your eyes are going to stay open for all of this. But Jake, your eyes, just for a moment, your eyes will close until I tell you to open them, Jake, okay? Nothing weird's gonna happen, I promise. I'm just gonna do a little energy transfer here while we've got all this happy energy from these memories going on. We're just gonna take a little bit of these memories right here. We're just gonna lift them up and we're gonna drop them over here where Jake is. And that's as weird as that gets. One more time, still eyes closed, paying attention to everything going on around that you hear and feel. We're gonna lift these happy memories and we're gonna drop these memories right over there. We're also going to do this though. It'll make sense. Jake, open your eyes. I want you to be nice. You didn't peek, did you? While your eyes were closed just now, did you feel anything touch you while your eyes were closed? Really? Little nose touch, really? Did I touch him? Did I touch you? Really? Show Jake where I touched you lightly. Just lightly, really, really light. Point, where? Where? The nose. And you felt it happen, but I didn't touch him. I think we created a little sixth sense here for these two. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Dad liked it. Thank you. When you leave here, tell each other later on what that memory was. It's obviously a really special memory from your relationship. There are a lot of special gifts during that time too. Gifts are important. You know, it's important to find the right gift to show somebody how much they mean to us. Jake, would you hold your right hand out there? I'd just like you to think of a gift appearing in your hand if you would. Just think of any gift you'd like to give tonight maybe. And actually, I think you'll know what to do with that gift, Jake.
Where's the gift?